good morning, good evening, or every time you guys watching this video. If you guys see in the title and the thumbnail, I'm about to start Raptor lights on the honeycomb grill right here, guys. I'm not a fan of the Pro grill necessarily, and I know people have been wondering around if they can put Raptor lights on your honeycomb grill, which it is true. I have inserts from 3Bs. I will put that in the description down below, along with the Raptor lights as well. Trust me, man, it's easier than you think. Totally plug and play, and this video right here is gonna instruct you how to do it. So let's get to it. In case you guys are wondering, this right here are the inserts. We got them all lined up for you guys. When you order them, it comes just like this right here, very flush. And if you can tell, that's the side. These are the middle because the curvature of the emblem. Align it right there. And these right here. And we also got the Raptor lights. I'll show you those in a minute. Alright guys, I got everything laid out for you guys just so you can see how everything is, in case you guys have any questions, and I'm gonna give you some details about it. So right here, you have the inserts that I got from Etsy. You got the lights and the harness and some tie downs from Running for Tacos. You got the sticker for Running for Tacos. This is the DRL harness right here. Simply plug and play. These connectors go into the lights in the back right here. These lights go into these. And just so you guys understand, the bottom of these inserts right here are for the bottom of the grill. The top is for the top of the grill. So you slide it in like this. So if you see these long clips from this long side right here, that is for the bottom. The short ones are for the top. Just to let you guys know, because I know some people don't like to do a little bit of homework. But this is the whole setup. Inserts, lights, tie downs, and the harness. So we're gonna get to this install, guys. Let's do it. All right, guys, we just got done with the install. Sorry I didn't really tell you guys how to do it, but I am gonna do it right now. Basically, with these bezels right here, with the Raptor lights, you're gonna have to like click them in. I would try to use a screwdriver, because you slide one side into the other side and you use a screwdriver to kind of pry it into the clamps just to make them stay. And after you do that, trust me, it's a process. You might need another hand, so invite a buddy over, especially to install them into the grill right here. Because the ones I ordered, they made them differently. You have to push them through the front and it's gonna clamp on the back because it has four prongs, two at the top, two at the bottom. The longer side is at the bottom, the short side is at the top. Start from the bottom, pry it in, it's gonna click, top is gonna click as well. But now, for the hardest part that we had time with, because there's videos that don't really tell you where these connectors are, I'm gonna show you. So the connectors to put these on is gonna be located by the driver's light. It's gonna look like it's connected to the light, but it's not. It's actually a little hole right here beneath the bulb. There's gonna be two connectors together. You pull them out and it's gonna be your gray and your black, which are, here's the black one right here, and the gray one is right here. These two are gonna be connected together like this, and you just pull them apart, and that's where the connector from the harness is gonna connect to, is these, which are located in this little hub right here. You just pull them out. Because I was watching so many videos, me and my boy Mike, he's holding the camera, thank you Mike.
Yes sir.
We were trying to find out where these connectors were, and lucky enough, Mike found it and we got them hooked up. So once you get all that said and done, you get the result is these four Raptor headlights on the top right here. Like I said before, I'm not a big fan of the Pro grill, but I do love my honeycomb, and that's why I got these lights. So I plan on keeping it. I got the smoke amber for Running for Tacos. You can get the smoke amber, the amber smokes, you know, LEDs, whatever ones you want. The white lights, but the smoked amber are the way to go for me because it's kind of incognito. It ties into the grill. You don't see them when it's off, but you see them when they're on. And that's it. So you guys have any more questions, feel free to reach out to me on Instagram. Send me an email or comment down below. Definitely comment down below. There's more miles to come for this truck. And I appreciate you guys. Hit that subscribe button. I do have a giveaway for 500 subscribers for a free tune. If you're already tuned, you can get it for your buddy, your girlfriend's cousin, whatever. I don't know. I don't care. But just enter it. Give me the 500 subscribers. And one of you guys can win a free tune. It's your boy Bruce. And I'm out. Peace.